Natural toners for anti-aging skincare. Title: Natural toners for anti-aging skincare. Introduction: 100 words. In the pursuit of youthful, radiant skin, we often turn to various skincare products to help combat the signs of aging. Among these products, toners play a crucial role as they restore the skin's pH balance, tighten pores, and prepare the skin for the subsequent steps in our skincare routine. While there are numerous toners available in the market, opting for natural toners can be a wise choice. In this article, we will explore the benefits of natural toners for anti-aging skincare and discuss some effective options that you can easily incorporate into your skincare routine. Why choose natural toners? 200 words. Natural toners are derived from organic, plant-based ingredients and are free from harmful chemicals and synthetic substances. Here are a few reasons why you might want to consider incorporating NADU. Raw toners into your anti-aging skincare routine. 1. Gentle and nourishing, natural toners are generally milder on the skin compared to their chemical-laden counterparts. These toners are often infused with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that provide nourishment to the skin while helping to combat the signs of aging. 2. Free from harmful ingredients, many conventional toners contain alcohol, parabens, sulfates, or artificial fragrances that can strip the skin of its natural oils and potentially cause further damage. Natural toners, on the other hand, rely on plant extracts and organic ingredients that are safer and more gentle on the skin. 3. Environmentally friendly, natural toners are often produced using sustainable farming practices and eco-friendly packaging. By choosing natural toners, you contribute to reducing the carbon footprint and promoting a healthier planet. Effective natural toners for anti-aging skincare, 900 words. Let's explore some of the most effective natural toners that can be incorporated into your anti-aging skincare routine. 1. Rosewater, obtained by distilling rose petals. Rosewater has been used for centuries in skincare. It acts as a gentle astringent, toning the skin, reducing pores, and promoting a youthful, radiant complexion. Rosewater also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, soothing and calming irritated skin. 2. Witch hazel, extracted from the leaves and bark of the witch hazel shrub. Witch hazel is a potent natural toner known for its astringent properties. It helps tighten the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and minimizes pore size. Witch hazel is also soothing, making it an excellent choice for sensitive skin. 3. Green tea, rich in antioxidants. Green tea offers a multitude of benefits for anti-aging skincare. When used as a toner, it helps neutralize free radicals, promotes collagen production, and reduces inflammation, ultimately improving the skin's elasticity and firmness. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and apply it to your skin with a cotton pad for a refreshing toning experience. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Though it may seem surprising, apple cider vinegar is an effective natural toner. It helps regulate the skin's pH balance, minimize pores, and eliminate bacteria that can cause to acne and premature aging. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, apply it to your skin with a cotton ball, and rinse after a few minutes for brightened, youthful-looking skin. 5. Aloe vera. Known for its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera is a versatile natural toner. It rejuvenates the skin, reduces inflammation, and promotes cell turnover, leaving your skin looking refreshed and plump. Simply extract fresh aloe vera gel from the plant and apply it directly to your skin or use a store-bought, natural aloe vera gel. 6. Cucumber. Cucumber is not only refreshing but also an excellent natural toner for anti-aging skincare. It contains vitamin C and caffeic acid, which helps soothe and tighten the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Blend a cucumber and strain the juice, and gently apply it to your skin using a cotton pad for a cooling and refreshing toning experience. 7. Lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C, lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, brightening the skin and reducing the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation. However, lemon juice can be too strong for some individuals, so it is crucial to dilute it with water before applying it to the skin. Additionally, it is essential